I'm Dr. Sara Wright. I'm a neuropsychologist and a researcher. I do research in the area of late life depression and really trying to understand the neurobiological influences of depression during older age. I've always been interested in the area of aging, and depression in late life is a very interesting disease because it's comorbid oftentimes, or co-occurs with other kinds of medical illnesses such as diabetes, cardiovascular disease, cerebrovascular disease, and so what that means is that we get sort of combined influences of both depression as well as these other medical illnesses. One thing to keep in mind about depression in late life is that it's underdiagnosed and undertreated. So the World Health Organization estimates that only about half of older adults with a mental illness are treated. And part of the reason for that is probably because it often does co-occur with other medical diseases. And so symptoms that occur as part of those diseases, such as sleep issues, appetite problems, fatigue, that kind of thing, may get attributed to those other medical problems as opposed to depression. And also, oftentimes people only have about 20 minutes or so in a primary care visit. And so there are so many other medical issues that are being attended to during that visit that depression may really take a back seat. So there's been a link made between depression and dementia, and specifically Alzheimer's disease in this case is what we're studying. And one of the issues that I often face as a neuropsychologist clinician is that we will often get treatment or referral questions asking us, does this person have depression with cognitive impairment, or do they have dementia? And there are typical patterns associated with each, because we can see patients with depression who have cognitive issues that may actually get better with effective treatment of depression. But there are other patients who have cognitive issues where it may continue to get worse, and they may actually be exhibiting one of the earliest stages of a neurodegenerative process like Alzheimer's disease. And so what we're really trying to do is develop more effective tools for being able to better identify who those patients are that are going to go on to develop dementia.